I am the accounts payable manager at LUSH. We're in the retail industry, supplying bath bombs and cosmetics. We also, in our division, so we manufacture everything that we sell at our stores. Medius flow has been really important for me to be able to do my job. It really helps us define kind of like what our focus should be. We used to be super duper paper-based. And like come around month end, we're scrambling around because invoices are lost. We're having to track each manager for the piles of invoices that we have given them. In terms of even the month ends, we're able to accrue it more properly. We're able to track the invoices where it's at by use of the historical audit trail. And even right now, we're actually having our year-end audit. So it really helps our outside auditors. Like we basically just give them access to our system and they can go in there and figure out where the invoices are. Gone were the days where we're having to go to the cabinets and pull invoices. Also for the managers, when they say, oh, where's this invoice at? They can see when it was sent to them, what's missing, and so on. When I started with the company almost 2 years ago now, I think we're at 57% touchless. We've worked a lot with Eric from Medius Flow in terms of really increasing that. My target is anywhere between 92 to 95%. I think in the last few months, we're averaging anywhere between 85, 86 to probably 90%. For LUSH, we're projecting an increase in our business. We wanted to grow our stores into another 100 in the next 3 years. And so we figure that if we're going to do that, workload is going to increase as well, and we simply cannot afford to be doing all of that manual work. So we needed to put in some focus on the touchless piece. A lot of the reasons for being touchless is due to our own internal processes. There's a gap in our own processes. So it's really helped us address those gaps as well. And for the team, like when I say that, yeah, we're at 90% this week, it's really boosts their morale as well. So they can kind of see where we're headed, that, these things that we're setting up as goals is very much achievable.